Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss IELTS reading tips. So the first tip is about how to manage your time. In my view, you should divide your time into three parts. For passage 3, give at least 23 minutes. Passage 2 is about 20 minutes and passage 1 is 17 minutes. You may be wondering why I said passage 3 first. Because passage 3 is perhaps the longest as well as the most difficult passage. It involves questions about true false not given as well as write more than 3 words. So this is perhaps most difficult. Passage 2 is somewhat easier than passage 3 but more difficult than passage 1. And passage 1 is perhaps the easiest. And that's why you should allot the least amount of time to passage 1. Second is attempt passage 3 first so you can concentrate better. Okay. So always make sure that you attempt your passage 3 first because it's not only the longest, it is also the most difficult. The questions, the difficulty level of the question increases, and that's why always start doing your passage 3 first, and then move on to passage 2 and subsequently to passage. Okay. Third tip is read the question first, then read the passage. Always try to read the question first and then move on to the passage. Because if you try to read the passage first, what will happen is that you might get confused with some of the wordings in the passage itself, and you will tend to forget what the question here is. Okay, so try to read the question first and then read the passage. Fourth is attempt easy questions of each passage first. Now, what are easy questions? Easy questions are fill-ups. They are relatively easier than list of headings. Okay, so attempt these type of questions first, like your fill-ups, and then move on to list of headings. Fifth is practice with a timer. Always try to practice with a timer. You have 60 minutes to complete the whole passage. When you are practicing, try to make sure that you always practice with a timer on. You do not over exceed your time limit. These are some of the tips for IELTS reading. And if you have any further questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button